Want to slash downtime and cut costs? Let's dive into the 5 key features of a CMMS. The old way is just pure chaos, but a CMMS brings proactive digital control to your entire workflow. And the stakes are huge. Unplanned downtime can cost a staggering $250,000 an hour. So, let's look at the 5 key features that will help you avoid that and save a ton. All right, feature number 1, work order management. Think of it as your command center for every single task. This feature solves huge headaches, like lost paperwork, slow responses, and just not knowing what's happening. And it's all mobile. The entire workflow happens right there in the field. Super efficient, super accurate. Next up, preventative maintenance. This is how you stop fighting fires and actually start preventing them. It extends asset life, makes audits a breeze, and can boost your equipment uptime by over 20%. Bottom line, you get fewer costly breakdowns, better performance, and of course, lower maintenance costs. Feature number 3 is asset management. This gives you a complete history for every single asset you own. So you can finally make smart repair or replace decisions and accurately forecast your big expenses. Imagine your techs just scanning a QR code to instantly pull up an asset's entire history. Total game changer. Okay, feature 4, inventory management. This is all about having the right part at the right time. It automatically reorders parts for you, cutting those pricey last-minute emergency buys by up to 30%. And finally, reporting and analytics. This turns all of that maintenance data into insights you can actually use. You can see the shift right here, from being 80% reactive to over 75% planned and proactive. Dashboards give you a live look at key numbers like your repair times to help you make smarter calls. So to recap, mastering these 5 features is the key to truly modern, efficient maintenance operations. So take a look at your own shop. Which one of these features would solve your biggest headache?